sweet friends, welcome back. Okay, so today we will be doing a product review, so let's get started. Back, my sweet friends. Okay, so today we are going to review these Halloween dies that I got off of Amazon. So let's get started. Okay, so this is all the pieces that were in the plastic bag that I got. This is Happy Halloween, a bat, these are the ghosts, and then these little pieces all go together to make a witch, and then the broom. It's supposed to be a flying witch. So what I'm gonna do is I will cut the first layer out of yellow, and then I'll cut a few more layers to see if I need to switch and match for the witch. So I'll do that and then I'll be back. So all we're gonna do is just put it through our Gemini. The best thing about the Gemini is it works on its own, so you don't have to crank or anything. Let's see if it cut. It did not cut, so we need to put a wedge. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna put it through the Gemini. I see the broom has moved, so we're just gonna fix it. Right there. Put that on top. Our plastic down. And put it in our Gemini. Okay, so let's see if it cut. It did. Oh, look how cute that little ghost is. He's stuck to the plastic. So it definitely cut through. Here's our scrap. So I'm just gonna pop out all the pieces. There's the little bat. Cute. Here's the broom. And the witch is still in pieces. We'll have to put her together. But I want to do different colors so we can get the different looks. So I will be back after I get a few colors cut. Okay, so I've cut out of 3 colors. This is yellow, black, and brown. The Happy Halloween turned out really well. I like it. It's super cute. Okay, so out of the 3 colors, this is the black bat, brown, yellow, the 3 ghosts, and the other 3 ghosts. I think the patterns are cute. They're very easy. They're recognizable, and they cut very well. The hardest part of the project was the witch. Now, she has lots of little pieces and you have to glue her together. So let me just move these guys down over here for a minute onto the table. So with the witch, what I would suggest is, that's what she looks like. I'm gonna come up closer. You had to glue all your pieces together. I used the brown, the black, and the yellow. The only thing I would suggest is you need to be very careful of the little wee pieces because they can fall off very quickly and you could lose them. I would suggest to have a little container and dump all the witch's parts into a container and then at the end just put a bunch of different colored witches together. It didn't come with instructions for me, so I just went back to Amazon website. I looked at the picture of the die cuts that I got, which were these ones, and I just looked at the picture and I put her together. So you need to have some patience for that. But all in all, they're pretty good for the price that I paid. They were not expensive. So if you have lots of patience, I would say yes, definitely get them. If you're looking for one and done, this is definitely not it, because the witch, you will not have the patience to put it together. So that is my review on these dies, and I will keep making them because I'm going to be putting them in my Halloween book. But thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, everyone.